Hi, welcome to this edition of How to Q. I'm going to teach you how to fix this, and it's so annoying. Come on, come on. This is a door that opens by itself. If you want to stop that, here's how you do it. The best part about this is you don't even have to take the door off. I can't even find my hammer. It's that easy. Now, come with me. Okay, real time, this is what we started with, and this is my pin. So if I put the door right here, it just, and that's I don't want to say extreme, but that's pretty rapid. So after we add this, if I can get it in, as you can tell, I found my hammer. Okay, if this happens to you, take another one out and bend that one. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take the top one out. I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to hit it for the first time, and I'll be right back. Kind of easier with pliers. Okay, since this is a little more severe case, I've done this to 2 previous doors and it only took 1 pin to bend. This one, now that's a bend. We'll see. I don't want to have to go out there and do it again. Okay, I got to give you a close-up this because this is really bent. I don't have a drum roll, but let's try this again. It wants to, but it doesn't. All right, that's it for this edition of How to Q. That was a real quick demonstration of how you can fix that. I moved that over. Please like if you learned something. I've got plenty of other videos on my channel. I would love for you to subscribe. Thanks for watching this edition of How to Q. We'll see you next time.